This is a review of the AMMZO digital meat thermometer, and the brand did send me a free one so I can create this video for you today. So I wanted to demonstrate how really cool this meat thermometer is. Now, first of all, to turn it on, you simply just press any button. You can see right away it does have a large LED screen here. Now the buttons over here, this one's gonna switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. This one's gonna turn on the LED screen like so. And you can see it's very high quality build. It's got a solid construction. The battery is replaceable here. Now it does come with 2 batteries, so you do have a replacement already. And I'm gonna demonstrate how it works by using this hot mug of water here. Now it is also waterproof. And here we go. Let's turn on the LED. You can see how hot this water is and how well this digital thermometer works. Very easy to use. It does turn off by itself after a few seconds, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a high quality and accurate meat thermometer.